Well, hello there, Carolina Sherman here. Welcome to my channel where I share videos to help you and other online business owners to speed process your growth by doing the internal work first. This video I will share 10 things with you that uplift my vibe and makes me happy. Because if you want to attract business success or just in general success in your life, then you must make it your #1 priority to just plain and simple be happy on a day-to-day basis. Because when you are happy, when you are balanced, and when you are excited, then you look to the world and scan the world through a different lens. Suddenly you get inspired by things that surround you, your creative juices get flowing. Suddenly you see new opportunities, you think solution-oriented, and you are open to allow success into your reality. So that's why I'll be sharing my 10 tricks that will uplift my spirits every time. First of all, I love dancing. So I love putting on some happy music and just go for it. Dance it all out. Or shall I say, dance all the happy vibes in. I've made my happy playlist on Sonos with all the songs that make me happy. You can do this as well. What are the songs that make you happy? Please share in the comments down below. I love to be inspired. And second of all, going for a walk. Oh, really? Just anywhere will do. But I love to go to the park. It's just around the corner here. I love nature. But I get inspired by walking around in new neighborhoods as well and discovering new places or just looking at houses and architecture and fantasizing how people live. Yeah, I'm a very curious person. Then third of all, going for a ride with my car with loud music on. I love feeling tough, like a real rock chick, and I love driving or very mainly van. And just put on some loud music and cruise around with the van. Oh yeah, I really love that. And when my energy is low and I need some uplifting, I love to light some incense and put on some meditating music and then meditate or do a guided visualization. This gives me this warm feeling of self-care and nurture. Feels so good, so warming. And when I feel stuck or overwhelmed, I like to clean up my house and the kitchen and declutter my office space. But don't understand me wrong, I'm a very chaotic person and I hate real cleaning, like with soap and all that. We've got a cleaning lady for that. But when I feel overwhelmed, it can really help me to start reorganizing the house and my office space and just, clean up the cluttering things. It can be so fulfilling and feel so rewarding and uplifting to have a clean space to start fresh. Oh, and the sixth one is a great one. It's deliberately smile. Do it now. See how that feels? Just put a smile on your face, how that changes your vibration. I feel that shift every time. It's subtle, but it works so good. So smile. The seventh activity that I love and that makes me always happy is to cook and prepare food. I love healthy food and experimenting in the kitchen. I've been a health food coach in the past years and I really love that. The sixth thing that I love is when the weather is good and the sun shines. I love to go for a ride on my bike. It can be so refreshing. I'm a very competitive person and I have a very beautiful and fast bike, a Gazelle van Staal. So I love to cycle around, cycle on a tempo that feels good for me. And mostly that's pretty fast because I pass by everyone and then I feel so glorious. Yes, I'm the best. I'm the best ever and the fastest biker ever. Well, as long as I feel that way, the reality doesn't really matter, And as number 9, I love taking care of my plants. This really balances me, and even if it's just a 15-minute tour to water all my plants, this can really help me to recenter and lift my vibe. But if I need some more uplifting, then I go for repotting plants and are really getting my hands dirty in the soul and all. Yes. Oh, and the last one is the best. It's hopping or frisking when I'm outside or whatever you call it. When I do this hopping around, I always feel this immediate shift of this childlike playfulness that makes me very happy. And that is such a joyful and blissful feeling. So tell me now, I'm really curious what uplifts your vibes and what gets you into higher spheres and higher vibrations. We can learn from each other and we can inspire each other. So please share your go-to tricks to uplift your spirits. I am curious. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful or inspirational at all, then like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on new videos around business and mindset. Well, I see you next time.